Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series. Add methods after inheritance is the topic of this video. A constructor function that inherits its prototype object from a supertype constructor function can still have its own method in addition to inherited methods. For example, bird is a constructor that inherits its prototype from animal. In this case, we have a constructor animal. Here we declared a method for the animal.prototype, that is it, and here we have a bird constructor and we use object.create and pass in animal.prototype to create bird.prototype. And since we have created bird.prototype using animal.prototype, therefore we need to reassign the value of constructor to bird. In addition to what is inherited from animal, you want to add behavior that is unique to bird objects. Here, bird will get a fly function. Functions are added to bird's prototype the same way as constructor functions. In this case, when we want to add fly method in the bird.prototype, then you will use it like this, bird.prototype, and then the name of the method, and we write the function. Now instances of bird will have both eat and fly methods. Task for this challenge: add all necessary code so that the dog object inherits from animal and the dog's prototype constructor is set to dog. Then add a bark method to dog's object so that beagle can both eat and bark. The bark method should print woof to the console. In that case, we have a constructor for dog. Then we use dog.prototype equal to, we use object.create and pass in the animal.prototype. Dog.prototype is inheriting from animal.prototype, and afterward we define a function or method, we can say dog.prototype dot function name was bark, right? Bark. Okay, this method is declared. Now function, and inside function console.log, and we will get woof here. And we need to also change the constructor for this constructor value here. So dog.prototype dot constructor equal to dog. Now it's looks good, so we'll run the test. Dog.bark should log woof. Okay, exclamation mark, I was missing that. Save. Or not save, run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.